Welcome back everyone. So in the previous video we studied what is food spoilage and what are the factors responsible for the food spoilage. Now today we are going to learn about food wastage. And why are we going to learn about it, children? It is because, see children, with the help of science and technology, India is producing ample of foodstuffs every day, yes? Now, and sometimes it is also exporting certain foodstuffs to other parts of the country. But sometimes it happens that in our country and all over the world, there are certain problems like hunger and starvation. Yes, many of the people are not still able to get food, and like there is unequal distribution of food in spite of food being prepared in large quantities or in spite of food being produced in large quantities. So equal distribution of food is very, very important. Yes, so why we should study food wastage is because if we avoid wasting food, this food can be made available to many people around us. Yes, so let us have a look at the first type of wastage, that is quantitative wastage. Children, wastage are of two types, quantitative and qualitative. Now sometimes food is wasted quantitatively, means large amount of foods are wasted. We are not talking about the quality of the food, we are talking about the quantity of food. Large amount of food is wasted. And when does that happen? Wrong methods of farming, like hand sowing of seeds, inadequate threshing, improper storage and wrong distribution. See children, when we do not use proper methods, farming methods, like if you see in this picture, hand sowing and threshing, ladies are threshing the food grains there. Yes, so if you see in that process, lots of seeds are thrown here and there, and sometimes maybe it happens that all the seeds are not collected back, all the food grains are not collected back, right? Then feast and banquets. Feast and banquets means sometimes in marriages or in parties you find we take lots of food on our plate and we end up wasting it in a dustbin. Yes, many of the people just throw away the food. Yes, so we should avoid doing this so that every child and every person in the world is able to eat food and should not starve. The next type of wastage is qualitative wastage. Here, the food is not thrown away, but what happens is the quality of the food is deteriorated, due to which sometimes we have to throw away later. Yes, so what are the ways or what are the things which are responsible for this? First, wrong methods of food preservation. Food preservation means sometimes we preserve food. Preserving means to increase the life of the food. So sometimes when we make use of wrong methods for preserving the food, like normally when you eat the foodstuffs from outside, lots of preservatives are added to eat, so that, like for example, when you go in a shop to buy something, the chips packet or maybe the chutneys, the ketchups, all these have lots of preservatives in it so that it can last longer, it can last for years and years. Yes, so what happens, it may last for a longer time, yes, but the quality of the food is deteriorated, it is not of good quality. Washing the vegetables after cutting them. The quality of food becomes bad when you wash the food after cutting them. You should always wash it before cutting them. Then, overcooking. Overcooking destroys all the nutrients from the food. Miscalculation of the time required to transport. When a farmer cultivates any foodstuff and when a wholesaler or a retailer takes it from the farmer, sometimes it happens that he is not able to calculate the time. It takes time to reach the wholesaler or a retailer or to us, and because of that, what happens, because of the time duration, certain foodstuffs get spoiled very easily. See, wrong methods of miscalculation of time. Mishandling of perishable fruits like grapes and mangoes. Grapes and mangoes are very delicate. They need to be handled very properly. Yes, so when you mishandle such food products, they get wasted. There is loss of nutrients. Okay, there. Ways to prevent food spoilage and food wastage. What can we do? See, in the previous video we saw food spoilage, and in this video we saw food wastage. Yes. So how can we avoid both of this thing? When your food gets spoiled, it results in wastage. Yes. So if you try to adopt certain manners or habits in your day-to-day life, it will help in saving the food. Now, what can you see in the picture, children? You see there are various plates placed on the table with food in it. Yes. So it says that serve only that you can finish eating. Means you have to take only that much amount of the food on the plate which you can eat. Do not fill your plate with lots and lots of food which you cannot finish eating. Then next, do not throw away the food. Yes, try to reuse it. Then overcooking, we have to avoid overcooking of food. Then what can you see? A person has certain amount of vegetables in his basket. Yes, so we shall not excessively shop for vegetables or foodstuffs, because after some time it is going to get spoiled and be wasted. So do not overstuff by excessive purchase. You should not excessively purchase it. It should be available for others also. Then, store grains and other perishable foodstuffs by using proper methods. We have to be very careful when we store our grains. We like rice and all these things, wheat. They have to be, food grains have to be stored very properly. They are not to be stored in damp place so that it does not get spoiled. Even fruits have to be taken special care of. And lastly, the expiry date. Whenever we go to any shop to buy any food product or any canned product, we should see. So this, whenever you buy this, you have to be very careful to check the expiry date. See, if you see in the picture here, you can find the manufacturing date and the expiry date. Yes, so you should always check that, and you should not use any product after its expiry date because it has been spoiled. So confirm the expiry date of the processed food. Lastly, World Food Day. World Food Day is celebrated on 16th October. On 16th October, we celebrate World Food Day. So let us take care that we do not waste our food, so that any child or any person in the India or in the world do not remain hungry. So eat your food in proper amount and do not waste food. Thank you.